State level scholarship verification ongyako tabuk phano haini bagai Travel Welfare Department ni Director by Darashidang Malai kok shalanyan bagai thanglaicha TISF runsirnai tisnai jero Director by kok shalimani yagulo TISF runsirnai tisnai jero kok thumna rusango phai Darashidak shawitnaraka Travel Welfare Department ni kisasuk officer rok tongo borok jaikhlai samong khlaya Nainake nukjago Gumuti District, South North District student Dongnero, Tripurani, Khatarhaseo Thangai Runsirungi Dongnero, Boroni Scholarship, Hard Copy District Habanogo Jomarajagya. Haini bagai dati dutro, Jomarana bagai Koimong Naraka, Beskang, April Talni 15 Salmarini Bishingono.
Acha no tini tang bagai oro Tribal Welfare Department office beskango phai kok salai tongon matam bahai bepar.
Ini pulana Ahmad Maro serangsa channel no sentini aro family kaisana isu ini student ni koekta student rok tafano scholarship ni tie bro state level verification ya ko district level verification ya ko kuma bong tong apun ti tangi ongkang gitu date ngi pai thanga apun ti sentini Travel Welfare Department director salu kok sana phaka angke bosaka koekta Gumuti bai tekesa South oro belai district officer ko kahangke check khayain sawo kahangke samung khaya Rohin sabong kisah notice di sawo already 3 din notice rojan sawo borok samung kahangke khaya ba koekjon boni ko tabu election time ni borok busy rong khanain sawo ni mai borok bini date by na kok sukha 2 din 3 din date by nai o 3 din bisingo verification khaidin sawo tai kaisa karon tongo abong ke student ni ta phone hard copy district officer sogiain sawo hard copy ngai jara tabu baire pori tongai borok online tise college submit khayin sawo tai bon original je document borok district thangi submit ma khayin sawo o district thangi submit khainai rok tafon borok district rohoriya kun sawo jara jara ate student dong ang request khayo no dakte khayo o 3 din bisingo district thangi joma rodi olokai nongni problem ngai tangi ke 15 tani poreo tai scholarship ni issue ti update khaina gla tangi ke joto kisu 15 tani bisingo joto kisu khaijang nai district bo verification 15 tani bisingo nai state bo verification 15 tani bisingo nai bini bai jara jara ate ke tongai ta phono submit khayo ko bona request khayo no dakte khay district thangi submit khaina bagai